Beautiful 1975 British Leyland Triumph TR6. Very pretty car. Burgundy color with tan interior, tan top. Beautifully restored. This car is a nice driver quality car. It is not believed to be the original color. The car is very nice. It was one family owned for close to 40 years. Very nice car, runs and drives great. Just had a full service done. Paint shines beautifully. The chrome is about a 7 on a scale of 1 to 10. There's a few little spots where you can see on the chrome that it's not perfect. Otherwise the car's nice. It has brand new tires, new exhaust. This car's been completely gone through. Very nice down the sides. The paint shines nicely. It looks great. I mean, the paint has a deep, rich contrast to it. It's beautiful. Give us a call at 954-561-2499 if you have any questions or concerns. I'm happy to help at any time. Ask for Jeff or Ken or visit us at suprememotorsusa.com. It's a very beautiful car. It's got the roll bar. Check out the interior. It's all new inside. Everything's new. New seats, new carpet. Look at that. The dash is in good shape. It's got a little crack there in the top of the dash. Overall, it's in very nice shape. The wood's in nice shape. Very, very nice. Give us a call at 954-561-2499 if you have any questions or concerns. Happy to help at any time. It's a beautiful 1975 Triumph TR6. Trying to get all the angles for you so you can see what you're looking at. Car's very nice. Check it out. New carpet. Car's been completely gone through, mechanically checked. Show you the engine compartment. It's very nice. Trunk is nice, solid. Show you under the engine compartment here. You'll see the engine is very nice and clean. It's been done over nicely. Nothing funky. Give us a call at 954-561-2499 if you have any questions or concerns. We are happy to help at any time. Beautiful 1975 Triumph TR6. This car does come with a bunch of paperwork and some extra parts and stuff from the previous owner. Again, we bought it from the previous owner who owned it for pretty close to 40 years. Car's nice. Give us a call at 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken. We're happy to help at any time. Thank you.